Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create glowing text on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is just go up to text. We're going to add text by clicking and bringing it down to the timeline. And now we're going to increase this text throughout the entirety of the clip. And now with the text selected, we can go up to the text settings, type in what we want to be in the text. I want it to be game, right? And now we're going to change the font. I like the font. Let's say, Pace would be good. And so Pace with the font, click back on to the text. And now we can increase the size, right? So that would be nice. So from here, what you're going to want to do to make, the name, the word glow is go up to the effects right here. And now you're just going to look for the effect that looks like it's glowing. So art. So now we click on it, save as preset. Okay. And now we have a glowing word, right? And now we can actually change the color of it by going back to basics, scrolling down, clicking on color. And now we have all these colors to choose from. So I like red. It's going to be red. And there we have it. And then there's other settings that you guys can have. I mean, look at the preset styles, right? So maybe I wanted to have, oh, that's not going to work. Or maybe like a see-through, but maybe you don't want to mess around with these if you want the glow effect. So I'm going to go back, click on the glow, save as preset again, and now go back to basics. And I really think that's it, right? The opacity. So let's see what that changes. Okay, nice. Glow. And then we also have actually a glow effect right over here too. So if we click on that, we can make it glow even more. So I can decrease the intensity, decrease the range. That's super, super cool. What if it's like this? Wow, that's even better. So honestly, what you're going to want to do is instead of going to the effects, go to basics right away and just click on the pro feature right over here, right? On the glow feature. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.